Just then, the king felt true fear for the first time.
Don't be mad, please. I'm just doing what the whale gods tell me to do. Tweety Bird will be the next one I do, I promise. Though it is kind of ironic that Bugs Bunny, arguably one of the most famous of the Looney Tunes characters, winds up being the first one to be painted on the wall. You lucky rabbit. Now, I'll just say it now. This is the only photo I got before getting ahead of myself and almost, I was halfway done with the project before I remembered that, oh yeah, I need to film this. Blame it on how long the sketch took and the Looney Tunes fact videos distracting me. I'll go through the entire process with Tweety Bird. For now, just relax and watch what I did film of Bugs. This is how, I need an art stand or something because I'm using my shoulder to balance this while I'm working. I forgot a majority of the videoing when I was doing this one, so there he is. Again, I didn't get a lot of it because I got ahead of myself. It's time to break out the long pens. It is time to break out the long brush. I can barely get it in the shot, Jesus. So after I mapped out another square that's the same size as the other, I'm going to do the first step and paint the background color. I looked up the colors that yellow pops out the most on, and it came up with navy blue. I was a little worried that the yellow would look green when I painted it over the blue, but after testing it on some paper, I found that it is possible, but it'll take a lot of layering. I'll probably just save the yellow for last.
Oh, fuck!